Hello. So today in this video we will discuss about the tables in HTML5, and table is again the one of the important design for the HTML5. So table you can create using the table element table inside angle bracket, that is again the element name, and it can be used to display for the so many purpose, many types of the content. Even if you want to display the calendars, any financial data, list, etc., you can display with the help of the HTML table. And any type of the data you can display, image also inside the table, text also you can display, links also you can display, even you can display the video and any other table also. If you want to display inside the HTML table, it is possible. So you can use in the so many different way the table in the HTML5. That's why I told HTML is this one table is the one of the very important design in the web page. So you see again the here multiple examples are there, all of these example from your textbooks only. So first one we can see some kind of the financial data are there, then again the some kind of the images is there, calendar is also we can display, and some other again the image, calendar, and some kind of the report you can display in the table. But whenever you are writing the table element, some basic things you should know. First of all, HTML table contains any number of the rows will be there inside the table, n number of the rows you can write, and each row contain any number of the table data. Okay, and content goes always inside the TD tags. So here structure is there, first table, after the TR, that is called the table row, and inside the table row you can put the table data TD. So inside the TD only we have to put the information. So you see opening of the table, again the TR, again the TD. That is the order only. You cannot make the TD first and the TR next. No. First table, then TR, then TD, and you can put the data. Here contents are there. Welcome to the CEC. Then close the TD, then close TR, then close the table. This is the basic structures of the any table element in the HTML5. Now one of the simple example you can see here, in this table there are the 2 rows are there and total 5 columns is there. Okay, so first again the you start table, then we have to construct the first row, one row, then second row, then next row by row we can again the writing the code. So first table, again the TR, then TD, then after the TD you see the depth of the merge, something is there that we have to write /TD. So one table data under the one row is over. Again the another table data is there in the same row. So again start one TD, write the information, close TD. Then again one more data is there 1793. So that again one TD, then 1793, close TD. Then again you have a 162 cm, same way TD 162 cm, close the TD. Okay, same way again the one more you have a data 128. So TD again 128 cm. 128 cm and I can close the TD. So first row finished. So that's why we close the first TR. So in TR always one row, and inside the row how many data, that much of the opening TD and closing TD should be there. Second row again the same conditions is there. TR again the TD, start data, close TD, same pattern. You fill the all of the 5 information, then close the TR, then finally you can close the table, and you see in that format only the information is coming in your web page. Okay, only border is the missing. Why the border is missing, that I will discuss later. The border is again one of the attributes of the table tag, and we have to specify border is equal to how much, 1px, 2px, 3px, whatever you want. Okay, so you got idea, first table, then TR, then TD. Now one of the important thing is the table heading. Okay, whenever you are displaying any information, table heading little bit bold, so that is important. So table heading is again the part of the table row only, but the here element name we can say TH. TD means the table data, another is called TH, so that will come little bit, font will be the little bit bold only. So title, artist, year, width, and the height, that 5 again the table heading is there, so that we can put inside the TD only. Okay, Then after that, same way only you can go for the table data, tr under the table data, and again the another row if you have, same way we can go ahead. Another thing is that a table heading, why it is important. So first things, it is giving the information about the row being of a row of headers, means that this row contains which kind of the data, that information it is giving. Okay, and it is again the showing little bit boring, so easy to identify. Oh, this is the heading of your, again, the particular column of the data under the table only. One thing is again there, that is called again, each row must have the same number of the TD or TH containers. But if you want to cover a several column and the row together, then you have a option call span, otherwise row span. Means here, if you want to merge two column together, suppose that you want to make a little bit big, merging of the two column. You see in the here first part only, in the example only, last two column they merge in the first row. Okay, then you can use the call span. If you are merging the column, so call span. If you are merging the row, that means the row span. So there they merge the two columns in the first tr. So you can see here tr, th, 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 and the call span and the row span you can use along with the any td, otherwise any tr, any th. So here they did in the header section, so that's why th call span equal to 2, right? And then you display the information. So call span and the row span, that is the very popular attributes to merging the n number of the column, otherwise row together. Okay, so these two are the attributes of the table element. Now merging, you can show there again the same example for here. You can see the row merging is there up to the three row. In the first column you see they merge the three row together, right? So that they merge in the second row only, right? So first row no impact, but second row you see tr, then they started the td row span equal to the 3. Clear? But whenever you are using the third again the row, that time you have to display only the two data, because the first again the row, third row, first data is already merged now. So that's why only the 2 TD, one TD, again the data and close TD, another TD, again the one more data, close the TD. Same way we can go for the third one, third row, first data is already merged, so TR and again the TD and close the TD only, 2 times only we have to write. Got it? So I think you got the idea about the row span and the call span. Even you can display any image also inside the tables. If the image size is the big, you can again apply your call span and the row span. Okay, but display the image same again, whatever the img element was there, that element you can apply using the ALT, and you can display the image. Okay, anywhere we can display the image. Even if you want to display the little bit font size big, so any element of the HTML that you can display inside the TD impact is there, but keep in your mind any HTML element that we have to apply inside the TD only, because that data is always represented with the help of the TD only, but before that one TR and the table should be there. Okay, and after that closing is again important. Apart from this one again, table tags, another thing is their caption. Okay, so caption, you can display the title of the table. Here you see 19th century French paintings, again the caption table heading is there, so that we can put open caption, close caption inside that one again. Got it? Caption, that is the title of the table. Another thing is their call and call group. So this describe our columns and can be used to add in styling. Okay, so call and call group, we can add the styling properties with the help of the call and the call group. That again I will discuss more again in the next videos. Then the T head. Table header could potentially also include other TR elements. Okay, means here after the T head, one tr you can put, another tr if you want to put, again we can go for the another T head and then you can put. Okay, again not required for you the table any extra thing, there only we can put. So it will come again the one kind of the different, again that a small kind of the table heading it will come. Okay, so same thing is again the T foot. Yes, same way for the table footer also we can comes, you can use. And another thing is the T body. So this is the generally potential with the styling the browser, and it can scroll the information while keeping the header and the footer fixed in the place. So that is called the sticky kind of the things. In one place we can put the header and again the footer and another information if you want to scroll, then we can go ahead with the help of the T body. So these are the additional table tags that is again more popular. So in this video I think you got the idea about the basic idea about the table tags. So next video again I will discuss about the next part of your syllabus. So thanks for your patience.